Do you think this trend will continue like this? What is a trend? A trend refers to the general direction in which the market is moving up, down, or sideways. Identifying the trend is crucial for making informed trading decisions. Types of trend: uptrend, downtrend, sideways, or range-bound. An uptrend is a trend where the peaks are higher than the previous peaks and the lows are higher than the previous lows. As we look at the chart, we can see that the price consistently forms higher highs and higher lows. This indicates that the market is in an uptrend, showing a general movement in an upward direction. A downtrend is a trend where the peaks are lower than the previous peaks and the troughs are lower than the previous troughs. When we look at the chart, we see that the price is consistently forming lower highs and lower lows. This indicates that the market is in a downtrend with the overall movement heading downward. A sideways trend, also known as a range-bound trend, occurs when the price fluctuates within a specific range, moving up and down but not breaking out in either direction. In this case, we see that the price is neither forming higher highs nor lower lows. Instead, it moves between two horizontal levels, creating a range. This type of trend indicates that the market is in a consolidation phase, where there is no clear direction. In an uptrend, the market is consistently moving higher, with each peak and trough showing an upward movement, indicating a strong buying pressure. In a downtrend, the market is moving lower, with each peak and trough forming progressively lower levels, signaling increasing selling pressure. A sideways trend occurs when the price is moving within a specific range, with no clear direction, showing indecision in the market. Now that we have covered the different types of trends, make sure to practice identifying them on your own charts. If you have any questions about how to recognize trends, feel free to ask in the comments, and I will be sure to answer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on the upcoming videos.